Opebi is a well-developed residential and commercial neighborhood with several gated estates, a very strong security presence, and shares proximity with notable places like both the local and international airports, Alausa Secretariat, Ikeja GRA, Allen Avenue, amongst others. This is definitely a highly recommended place if you're looking for the perfect neighborhood to live in Ikeja on the mainland part of Lagos. My name is Victoria Chizabaduraku, and I'll be your guide through today's tour. We would be inspecting this four-bedroom duplex with a BQ, and this house comes with an inverter, and we have solar systems here already installed for you. Now, while I came in earlier today, there was a really heavy downpour. You can see I'm even using an umbrella for this video because it has not even stopped. So there was a heavy downpour, and I had to just wait for the rain to subside. But looking at the neighborhood inside this estate, you can see that it is not flooded. Their drainage system here is really good. In fact, that's another reason why I had to wait so that I'll see what this neighborhood looks like. And another good thing about this property is that this is like a mini estate inside a much bigger estate, which makes it really secured and not super crowded. Now, before I flip this camera for us to go have a detailed tour of this property, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. It is such a delight to grace your screen today. Please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you get subsequent updates from us whenever we post a video here. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I flip this camera. We tour this property while I give you more information about this. I know you're curious to hear the price. Just calm down. Let's do this together and I'll tell you the price of this property. Let's go. So welcome back, beautiful people. It's still raining, unfortunately, but then again, I have to make this video for you. All right, so this right here is where we have the duplexes, and then you can see that there's a designated transformer right here for the duplex. Sorry if the video is a bit blurry, it's just because of the weather. So the entrance to this estate is like a 20 seconds drive from where this property is located, so you can see that it is accessible. We already have residents inside this estate. Remember, I told you it's a mini estate inside an existing estate. Now we just have limited units available because some of them have been taken already. Yes, they've been bought. So it means that if you love what you see at the end of this video, kindly give us a call to schedule an inspection so that you can secure a unit here before it all gets sold out. Now this right here is the unit we will be inspecting. So this is the unit we will be inspecting. Sorry, it's a bit blur. Apologies about that. Like I said, it's just the weather. So you can see that we have some artificial plants in each unit. And then this is what the compound space looks like right here. And then this each unit can take like 3 cars. Yes, 3 cars, nothing more than 3 cars can fit in here. And then there's provision, all these pipes you're seeing here, this one right here and this one right here, just in case you want to automate your gates. So they made provisions for that. That's this wire, this pipes you're seeing here with wires. Okay, and then you can see we also have some greeneries in the compound. Okay, all right. Now let me stand here so you see the view from here. Now we have a total number of 8 units of air conditions in this house. You see there's a tap at that angle there. There's a tap there, and then the water is clean. All right. Okay, so we're in now. Now there's this for this fire alarm right here. So this right here is the living area. Right under the staircase is where we have the inverter. And then I told you that we have solar panels installed. Okay, before I show you the full size of the living area, this is not everything, it still extends down there. Okay, so this angle is the guest room. And then right here, I'll still tell you the price, just hold on. I know you really want to hear the price. So just hold on, let's enjoy this tour together and then I'll give you the price. This is the guest room. There's also an air condition here. And then this is the toilet and bath for the guest room. And then the door, we have the slide door right here for the guest room. It's not a regular one. Okay, so now let's see the living area, the full size of living area. Just here, we also have this for your fire alarm. And then right here is the full size of your living area. You can have your dining to that angle there. But this is the full size of the living area from here. You see there's also an air condition here. Then there's another one right there as well. So let me stand here. So you see the view here. You see the view from here. Okay, so that means we've seen three air conditions now so far. Two in the living area, one in the guest room. So you see the dining area is also spacious. And then next is the kitchen, also another air condition here, which is four. And this is the full size of the kitchen. This is the full size of it. It comes with a refrigerator, it's big refrigerator, microwave oven, it's able to gas burner, has about five cookers, yes, five burners, an extractor right here, and then we have quite a number of pantries for storage. Yes, quite a number of them for storage, and we also have a pantry here. And then this leads you to the BQ. Let me see if it's open or it's not, but there's a BQ at the back. I'll try to see if we can check that before we end this video. So let's go upstairs and see what we have there. Remember I said this is located in Opebi, inside an estate in Opebi. Okay, now time to give you the price. So this is a 4-bedroom Maisonette duplex with a BQ, and it is in the market for 350 million naira. There can be a slight negotiation on this price. Yes, it can be a slight reduction on the price, but we'll get to talk about that when you give us a call, tell us your offer, and we'll see if that's something we can work with. But be sure that we'll definitely get you the best deal in this property. So this is the family lounge. This is the size of it right here. It's not as spacious as as I would have loved it to be actually, but this is what it looks like. Okay, now just in case, okay, this is room number one. Let's start. This is room number one upstairs. We have three rooms upstairs, one room downstairs. So there's an air condition here. This is the fifth air condition we're seeing today. Size of the room, wardrobe right here, and then toilet and bath. So just in case this doesn't fit into what you want, we also have other properties even on the island as well. We have land selling, we have commercial properties, um, land and estate you can buy and then build your dream home. Some of our properties come with up to 1 year payment plan. So just reach out to us, tell us what you're in the market looking for, and be sure that we'll get you nothing but the best of credible properties. Okay. There's also a fire alarm right here at the family lounge. Okay, so this is room number 3. So this is air condition number 7. Remember, I said we're going to count together. If it's up to 8, this is the size of the room. Wardrobe here. Just limited units available. So if you love what you see, give us a call immediately. For those who have been looking for properties to buy in Ikeja, this is one that I highly recommend. The estate is really well secured, and then we have good schools in this neighborhood. We have supermarkets, we have businesses, religious centers according to your preferences, hospital, all very close to this estate. So it means that everything you need to live conveniently, they are within your reach. So give us a call. Let's schedule an inspection before the entire unit gets sold out. So this is the last room, room number 4. This is the size of it, and there's an air condition here. So this is 8. This makes it the 8th air condition. 2 in the living area, 1 air condition in the kitchen. That's 3. 1 in the guest room, 4. 1 in the lounge, 5, and then 3 rooms upstairs here. That's 8. Okay, so this is the toilet and bath for this room here. So this is it. Give us a call. 350 million naira. The price is slightly negotiable. Give us a call to schedule an inspection. Send a trusted representative if you'd like to see this property. Till I come your way next time, my name is Victoria. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Please do well to subscribe to our channel as well. Bye.